In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Copilot on Windows. By the end, you'll have Copilot installed and ready to help you with writing research and everyday tasks on your PC. First, open the Microsoft Store. Click the Start button on your taskbar, then start typing Microsoft Store. When you see the Microsoft Store app in the results, click it to launch. If your Start menu is centered or looks a little different, that's okay. Pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and typing Microsoft Store works the same way. Give the store a moment to load so everything displays correctly. Next, use the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store. Click into it, type Microsoft Copilot, and press Enter. You should see the official Microsoft Copilot app in the results. If you don't see it right away, make sure you spelled it correctly and that you're signed in to the store with a Microsoft account. Availability can vary by region and Windows version, so keeping Windows and the Store app updated can help. From the search results, click Microsoft Copilot to open its app page. You'll know you're on the right page when you see Microsoft listed as the publisher and the familiar Copilot branding. Take a moment to review the details, system requirements, and screenshots so you know what you're installing. For convenience, I've placed the official Microsoft Store link for Copilot at the very top of the video description. If you're on your Windows PC, you can click that link and it will open the store directly to the Copilot page, which can save you a few clicks. Now, install the app. On the Copilot page, click the Install or Get button. The wording may vary, but both do the same thing. The store will start downloading the files, then automatically install them. The download time depends on your internet connection, so just let it run until you see it finish. Once the installation completes, click Open right from the Store page to launch Copilot. You can also open it anytime by pressing the Windows key, typing Copilot, and selecting the app from the Start menu results. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account. Signing in helps sync preferences and enables features that require authentication. After you sign in, give Copilot a moment to fully load. When the interface appears, you're ready to start asking questions, drafting content, and exploring what it can do. That's all you need to install Microsoft Copilot on Windows. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe for more how-tos, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.